Abang Chris. How you improve is when you do something wrong and you get caught, you have to admit your mistake and you have to tell yourself, I'm not going to make the same mistake again. How you succeed in life is not how you take the pain, but how you take the pain and you stand up again. Even though we have this challenge right now, I want you to stay awake, I want you to pay attention, and I want you to listen, and I want you to take what I shared with you and put it here. Where is here? In your heart and in your brain. In your brain. What's your name? Huh? Okay, good. You learn from someone?
Yes.
Learn from someone?
Who's better than you?
You learn from someone better than you. You learn from someone worse than you?
No.
You learn from someone worse than you?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can learn from everyone. You can learn how to be good. You can learn how to be bad. And you can learn how not to be bad. I want you to take the time and go through your life in school and learn as much as you can and help your friends as much as you can. Because when you finish school, when you go out into the real world and you work and you function in the real world, you know what most of you will think? Most of you will think, I miss my school life. Okay? So make sure you study hard, you enjoy with your friends in a good choice, and you do the right things. You have to try new things. If something doesn't work, try something new, make a plan, and most important, what do you have to do? I'm telling you, whatever problem that you have right now, it will end. But you have to choose to work on it to make it end. And you have the choice to make your life better. I want you to promise me that you treat all your friends, all your teachers, your parents, your relatives, and anybody that you meet. I want you to promise me that you treat them with courtesy and respect.